Hello, everybody. In the beginning, I like thanking my professor, Dr. Hisham Asma, for recommending me and Professor Dr. Nikki Ibarabide to participate in this event. And I like thanking to my professor and supervisor in Master and PhD, Professor Dr. Majid Jalal, Professor Ibrahim Badawi, and Professor Dr. Samah Moustafa. My topic about geo-archeology of Phoenicus, Greek harbour, and Roman, and this harbour used in Second World War. This is located in northwest coast of Egypt. Introduction and location. Phoenicus is submerged ancient harbour during Greek-Roman period and during Second World War. This study area is located northwest coast of Egypt. It finds on the Mediterranean Sea, west of Alexandria city for about 235 kilometers and 20 kilometers to the east of Marsa Matruh. Some historical writer Fortune, like Fortune, 1940, and Ball, 1942, shows that Phoenicus Harbour was situated in Ras Al Khaimah area. It's equipped by sedimentary rocks belonging to the Tertiary and Quaternary eras. The western coastline consisted of Pleistocene separated polygon of limestone sheets and fossil limestone, where there are coastal platforms, floating forms, and solution holes. This is harbour location here, and I study 5 harbour in my master, and again I study another 4 harbours in PhD. This is location, and I find it geo-database for location for this harbour for and in geodatabase for blue. In this website, you can find all the harbour in the Mediterranean Sea. This is location from Google Earth. Objective. This study aims to define geomorphological characteristics and geo-archaeological evidence of the Phoenicus ancient harbour, and to study effect of Holocene sea change on the studied area. The western coastline consists of Pleistocene separated polygons of limestone sheets and fossil limestone, where there are crystal platforms, fluvial forms, and solution holes. I define the remains of the ancient Greek water of the harbour, some submerged Greek and Roman harbour, which have been discovered near the coastline in the study area. This is archaeology remains. I found it in the shop. Archaeology remains accumulated by waves on the beach. Methods. This study depends on detailed geo-archaeological and geomorphological surveying and mapping, coring of sediment symbols, interpretation of multi-data, remote sensing image, as well as GIS technique. Submerged platforms, submerged caves, niche, and solution hole. You can find in figure 6. This is submerged platform, and here submerged caves, and you can see here niches and solution holes and sheets of polygons of limestone. Because some geoarchaeological and geomorphological indicators were used to find the Holocene shoreline, such as doing analysis of samples of submerged platform, looking figure 10 and 11 here, and take photo of this profile and measure some platforms. Look at figure 6. I take some groups from platform, submerged platform, and I do this photo micrographer of the limestone, showing the primary intergranular porosity. Note the thin film of isopetrous cement coating the oiled black oil. Mineralization of some oil grains is also observed. Geoarchaeological indicators. Phoenicus Harbour was located on the northeast side of the triangle, a short distance from the headland. It was constructed inside a bay and protected from the northern waves by marine rocky shore, and revered to the west by some coastal banks accumulated iron calcareous ridges in addition to valley moves. At the moment, some archaeological evidence were discovered by the others under sea water. It can be considered as part of Phoenicus' ancient harbour. All found indicators remain under recent sea level for about 3-4 meters. As a result to sea level change and monoclinal subductions. You can see here this is the morphological and geoarchaeological maps. I practiced this survey in field with my team from other friends in master degree, and I do this. I do a lot of fields to do survey in this area, and I find this is really from Second World War archaeological site, and I find Roman wall here, and I collect all data in this map. You can see submerged coastline under 1 meter and submerged coastline under 2 meters. This is mean a lot of sea level change happens in this place. Conclusion: some geomorphological and geoarchaeological indicators have been measured in the ancient harbour site in the eastern side of Ras Al Khaimah area. Some emerged niches and platforms, in addition to marine terraces and caves, indicated to sea level change. Some archaeology remains which belong to Roman period accumulated by waves on the beach. indicated to the submerged Phoenicus harbour in those weeks, and which it wanted on depths about 4 meters underwater, and it referred to sea level change. This is my reference in this study, and another reference just field. I go to field and do a lot of study and survey there. Finally, I hope to continue this research and publish it again.
Thank you, Samah. Thank you so much for your, I congratulate you on your detailed research. And if there are some questions, you can use the chat or switch on the microphone. Okay? No? Sincerely, I have a couple of questions for you. And the first, yes, there are some problem. Anyway, we understand you perfectly, your presentation. My first question is about what kind of dating method did you use for the geoarchaeological marker that you show in the presentation? What kind of dating method for the geoarchaeological marker? Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, I understand.
Okay.
I used this. I take a lot of remains to scientists of French scientist, Dr. Embraer, and he see it and send it to France, and let me in the result. Let me know the result, and he identify this is Roman remains.
Oh, okay. So you use the archaeological marker, right? Archaeological.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yes. And in the case of the Phoenicus harbour, did you find a breakwater or a pier, or you find only remains, archaeological remains on the beach?
Yes, I find. Let me show.
Yes, thank you.
I don't know what happened. I try to show. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So did you find a submerged site?
Yes, submerged site. You can see here.
Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. Oh, yes. Thank you so much, Samah. Are there other questions for Samah?
For all, thank you so much for all. I like and I'm interesting for geoarchaeology, geomorphology, coastal morphology. I do diving.
Okay. So congratulations. Congratulations, Samah.
Thank you.
Also,